Hey, what is going on, guys? So I think I have the best budget metal wristbands for your Apple Watch. It goes for the series 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the 42 millimeter as well as the 44. These will fit either or, okay? Here's a 42 millimeter, here's a 44 millimeter. Now the thing to start off with is this JTAG here. Now the thing is they all come in a variety of colors. Some of them I got like 3 colors. Some of them I just got 2 colors. Some of them I just got just the stainless steel color. But again, each of these have like multiple different colors, okay? Anyway, starting off with the JTAG here. You can see what this band here looks like here. You can see the clasp, how this clasp basically works. Just like that. You basically press these 2 side buttons in to open it like this. And the thing to take notice too is you can see the thickness of it, okay? You see the thickness of it here compared to like the Libra Gemini. You can see the width between both of these. So this one here, the width is quite large here. And another thing I want to note too is, you know, when they say it can fit a 42 or a 44 millimeter, like for instance, again, this is a 42 millimeter, and this is the JTAG band that I have on right here, this one, and you can see how the side sticks out just like a little bit here. I mean, I think it looks kind of cool like that. It doesn't affect it when you actually have the band on. Again, you can go ahead and take a look at that. You can see how the corners here stick out a little bit. Let me go ahead and put my 44 millimeter on here, and you can see that it actually does fit like perfect. So let me go ahead and grab this right here, and I'll go ahead and put this one on. Pop that in there, and you can see how this one is pretty much like perfectly lined up right here. However, on the 42 millimeter, you can see how that little edge there right here kind of like pops out there. Anyways, that's just to give you like an idea between the 44 and the 42 millimeter. Another thing that I want to note as well is all of these come with an adjuster where if you buy any of these wristbands and it's too big for you, you can easily take the links off. I mean, they all come with like these like tools here. Here's a Libra Gemini. Here's the Swiss. Even the this one over here, the Yi-Jock, has like a pin here where you can pull out the pins to reduce the size. Now the thing is, when I got all of these were all too big for me. In order for these to fit my wrist, I probably have like a medium-sized man's wrist. I had to take 3 links off every single one of these. Okay, so here's the JTAG here. I had to take 3 links off here to fit my wrist perfectly. And again, here's the JTAG here, and let me show you compared to the Libra Gemini. You can see the design here is a little bit different. Also, the Libra Gemini is a little bit thicker, or it's bigger in width. Here's the Swiss. As you can see how this one looks. This one has a different clasp as well. You can take a look at that. And of course, this titanium alloy here, you can see the design on there's a little bit different. Let me just put all of these down. Now let me go ahead and put these back where they belong. And we'll take a closer look at the Libra Gemini here. I'm also going to go ahead and weigh all these in ounces too, okay? So, and of course this titanium alloy should be the lightest out of all of them, okay? Anyways, here's the Libra Gemini. And I'll go ahead and put this one on so you can see what it looks like on the actual wrist. Take it off, just push those 2 buttons. All right, let's go ahead and move over to the Swiss now. Okay, you can see what this one here looks like. And you can see the clasp here is different than all of these other clasps here. Let me go ahead and pop this on like that. And this one here, I basically have to press down and I have to clamp 2 sides on. So there's one side. Then I go ahead and have to clamp this other side as well. Just push down like that. If I want to go ahead and release it, you can see the 2 buttons here on the side. So on the inside, gotta just open that up like that. Anyways, let me go ahead and put this back on. And you can see what that one there looks like. And I'll grab the E-Jock here. Again, this is the titanium alloy. This is the most expensive one I have in this collection here. And you can take a look there. Pop this in there just like that. And you can see these two side buttons right here to go ahead and release it just like that. Let me put it back on, and you can see what it looks like on my wrist here. And I'll go ahead and weigh all these in ounces. Now I'll start off with the JTech here. Pop that on there, and we can see 2.65 ounces. Libra Gemini. We have 3.14 ounces, a little bit heavier. And the Swiss here, this one seems pretty light. Comes in at 2.29. And we have the Yeejock. This is the titanium alloy. This should be the lightest. I mean, it's titanium. And it comes in at 2.15. So again, this one is the lightest, most breathable, but again, this is the one that's the most expensive out of all these other budget Apple Watch replacement bands. And I'll go ahead and give you guys a better view, looking at all of the sterling silver colors here. Move it in just like that. Well, there you guys go. Guys, thanks for watching. And for today, I think I'm going to wear the titanium alloy, the black one here. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.